Content at Scale is run by some friends of ours. Matter of fact, 2 months ago on our webinar, when we talked about Content at Scale, we had one of their senior key people join us on the webinar to do a little demo of it. Content at Scale is tremendous. The way I describe Content at Scale is like, have you ever wanted a perfectly, not perfectly, let's say it this way, an amazing SEO optimized article or blog post created, long, 2 to 3,000 words in less than 10 minutes, and have it 75-80% of the way to perfectly optimized for search on any keyword, on any topic? That's what Content at Scale can do. These guys are SEO wizards and copywriting wizards, and they put it all together and pulled in some AI people. So now they have the best copywriting, AI, and search all in one awesome platform. So for those that are using it to write or put out article and they want to get found organically, or at least have some long form content, Content at Scale is where it's at. You can actually create a lot. Heather uses it all the time. We use it as the key first spot of our digital duplication framework. And yeah, I'm not on the screen, and that's okay. I want you guys to see the whole screen. So yeah, so Content at Scale is a really awesome tool to generate really long form. Any of these other AI tools, the ChatGPTs, the Claude, all those, they can do a really good job of short form, but they don't really have an SEO goal in mind, where Content at Scale is very focused on helping you rank your content organically. So so that's one piece of our DDF that we're going to get to, and a great tool. Heather, if you can also, yep, you got it, put the Content at Scale link. If you guys are interested in Content at Scale, Heather just posted a link there. Again, click on it, check it out. If it's something you're interested in, go ahead. All of these are paid subscriptions. Some of them have free options or low cost ways to try it out and see if you like it. And if you guys have any other questions about any of these tools today, let me know. The next one is Claude. We don't have an affiliate link, and there is a really nice free version for Claude. If you have used ChatGPT, then Claude is very similar. It's conversational. It's conversational AI. One of the things that I love about Claude, and why we use Claude so often, and let me see if I can, let's see if I can show you guys something real quick. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. So inside of Claude, one of the really cool things that you can do here is you can create data sets. I want to tell you why that's important. A data set is, you can give it everything you want it to know about yourself or your company or your product or your service or whatever it is that you do, and you can feed it into a conversation and it will remember it, and it will continue to build and learn and relearn off of that. So it's kind of like its own GPT, but it holds a lot in the data set. You can upload files, upload, now I know the newest version of GPT 4.0, that, or 4.0, that one can do a lot of this as well. And it's good. It's really good. I've kind of been using Claude on the Pro version for a while. And you can just basically now work with images, but let's just say we wanted, tell me how I could utilize, let's do this. Write an article on let's say 1990s comedy drawing, sorry guys, this is abstract, but I really want to just kind of show you. Drawing inspiration from today's sitcoms. I don't know what it's going to do, but what it will do is it will, here are some suggestions for writing an article that has inspired today's sitcom. So that's the way it's picking it up. Identify some of these, like Friends, Seinfeld, Frasier, Fresh Prince, Home Improvement. Analyze, identify. So it's actually giving us the entire outline of how you would go about writing that article if we wanted to do that, right? Like how 1990s comedy inspired today's sitcoms. And then you could actually take and keep going in here and you build the data set. So now I could take this, copy, identify influential 90s sitcoms, and I could say, identify influential 1990s sitcoms, and say, what are some others? And boom, there's a whole list. Right? It's search on steroids. It's search on finding out exactly what you're looking for and then consolidating it. So let's just say you had an Excel file. Here's a business example. Let's say you had an Excel file. You could upload an Excel file right into Claude and say, hey, analyze the data in column F, the amounts, to see what trends you can find. Or take this customer list and find similarities or our best customers. Give me our 10 best customers, right? So that instead of going through and having to filter and sort and search, just upload the file and have AI do it. There's some really good ways for analysis and data extraction and lots of other things that you can do. So let's go back over here. So Claude is a really fun tool to use for conversational types of AI. Next,